Okay, so we're in Vegas after spending the night there.
Yeah.
And what happened, Matty?
What now?
Yeah.
I left me tickets in Uncle Phil's house.
You've lost your tickets. He lost his plane tickets.
I emailed my mum the flight time, and yeah, I think I left the tickets next to the computer in Uncle Phil's house. So hopefully he'll find them, and hopefully be able to post them to Justin's mum and dad. Or, well, I'm in trouble. I may be stranded here forever. Well, not out. Vegas wouldn't be a good place to be stranded. San Diego wouldn't be too bad. Yeah.
Give yourself a hand clap.
Today I changed too late.
The Arc de Triomphe.
And you're distant. Add it up and it makes no difference. Everybody's talking about blowing up the neighborhood. Everybody's gonna break it up today. Everybody's talking about blowing up the neighborhood. Running just to get away. Stuck in America. Stuck in America. I'm lost in America. Stuck in America. Today I changed. New town with the same old face. One way to shake this place that I can't escape. Everybody's talking about blowing up the neighborhood. Everybody's gonna watch it burn today. Everybody's talking about waking up the neighborhood. I'm still trying to escape. Stuck in
The rocks there from where the water used to be. Global warming. No, it's not really, of course. It's conglomerate flatulence of bovines. Yeah, and sea lions. So we were driving through America and then suddenly we landed in Mars. It's a bit weird.
We landed in Crapsville, look.
It does actually. It's like a big elephant or something's been through here. Look at that little guy down there pouring hose on all the mud. It's like, doesn't he realise he's never ever gonna sort of get it clean?
Crazy guy.
Everybody's talking about blowing up the neighborhood. Everybody's gonna break it up today. Everybody's talking about blowing up the neighborhood. All I ever wanted was to get away, stuck in America. Stuck in America. Stuck in America.
Impressed? Yeah, very good. That's a pretty impressive dam. In fact, you might even say